In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email subscription pages in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your HubSpot account to access the subscription settings that control what your contacts see when they manage their email preferences. Let's start from anywhere inside your HubSpot portal. Look toward the top of the screen for the main settings icon. This is usually represented by a small gear symbol. Go ahead and click that. Whenever you want to adjust anything account-wide, this gear icon is your starting point, and it opens up the full settings panel for your HubSpot account. Once the settings page loads, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side with different sections for various tools. Here, you'll want to locate the section labeled Marketing. This is where HubSpot groups all the configuration options related to your marketing tools, including email, forms, and more. Click on Marketing to expand that section and reveal the related options underneath. After expanding Marketing, you'll see several subsections, one of which is Email. This is the specific area where you control your email configuration, including templates, tracking, and subscription settings. Click on Email. It may take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll see tabs or menu items related to different aspects of your email settings. From within the email settings, find and select the option called Subscriptions. This is the key area you need for customizing your email subscription pages. Clicking on Subscriptions will bring you to the configuration screen that controls how your subscription management and unsubscribe pages look and behave. Once you are on the subscriptions page, you're in the right place to adjust things like the text on your subscription preferences page, the appearance of your unsubscribe page, and the specific subscription types you offer. While the exact layout can vary slightly depending on your account and HubSpot updates, this is where you'll manage anything related to how your contacts update their email choices. As you customize these pages, keep your audience in mind. Make sure the language is simple, friendly, and clear, so subscribers understand exactly what they're choosing. It's also helpful to preview the page to see how it looks from a contact's perspective before saving your changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated to the HubSpot settings area where you can customize your email subscription pages and give your contacts a better, more branded experience when managing their email preferences.